Hey, what's up guys, it's Ryan with Safety Gear Pro, and today we're going to be diving into the box of the IO Mags by Smith, as well as showing you how to swap out your daytime and nighttime lenses. Let's get to it. Now, you just picked up a pair, or you're thinking about picking up a pair of IO Mags off of the safetygearpro.com, and you're dying to know what's inside. Well, that's perfect, because today we're going to dive right in. So opening up the box, you'll notice two bags inside. One is going to hold the contents of the goggles, and one is going to hold your extra nighttime lens. We'll get into that. Moving the box right out of the way, opening up the bag with the goggles, you have your IO Mags right here. You get a nice sticker provided by Smith. You could throw this on your helmet, snowboard, or your skis. And what's cool is that they actually provide you with a microfiber bag. Now, this microfiber bag is labeled to be able to clean your lens, so you can use it on the mountain to wipe off the lens. It does say do not use while wet. Now, getting into the fun part, we're gonna break out the nighttime lens. So you've had a long day of boarding and you now are jumping into a night session and you wanna know how to swap out your lens. You're gonna grab your goggles, and what's cool is hidden right behind the straps are the push points. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just push this pin back, this side back, and the lenses pop off just like that. You'll notice that the frames are equipped with some magnets, hence the name the IO Mag. So go ahead and put your daytime lens aside, grab your nighttime lens, and it's as easy as just putting it from this side to this side, and boom, it clicks right in. You're ready to go for your nighttime boarding, and next thing you know, you're heading out back tomorrow. Just swap them back over to your daytime lens. Now, I hope this helped you guys out, and I hope you guys brought some interest to you. If you guys are interested in picking up some IO Mags, head over to safetygearpro.com, and if you do it quick enough, you can use the code SM10 to get yourself 10% off. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. See you on the next one.